a girl with using only 3 colours, which are like the main colours of the drawing. And I also wanted to use a bit more kind of fluidity in the drawing throughout, so it's not like a stiff pose like hand on hip and stuff like that. I wanted to have it to be looking like a bit more flowy in a way. So you can see my drawing process from start to beginning until like the main point of how I draw and start to build up to the end result. So I use Unipin fine liners and Ohuhu Markers, which are obviously like my best, or obviously like most favourite brand of markers, because Copic is just ridiculously expensive in the UK anyway for just something that's not really worth it. And one thing which I really liked a lot about this drawing was when I started to colour in the dress, because it was really satisfying just filling in all of the little blank bits and doing the dots, especially the dots. That was really satisfying. I also liked the colour scheme a lot, like the colours I chose and the background I did. I thought they were really good. Another thing which I found annoying was the fact that there was this pen, and usually they like cap fit on one end, but when I tried to do it, it was so annoying because it fell off like 5 times and I had to put it back on again, but then I realised that it was just not going to go on there. It wasn't going to budge. And then as you can see in the video, that I start doing like where I'm going to do the shading first and then go over with the skin tone. And basically what this does is just basically really kind of blends the colours together a bit more nicely and makes them have a better look on the paper. Whereas I don't do this for the hair, because hair needs a little bit more time to do this, and if I do it with the hair, it won't really come out as nice, because you usually use dark colours for the hair and I just really don't use it myself. So for the kind of like shading of the dress and shading for kind of white dress or anything white, I like to use a really, really, really light grey or brown grey, as it's basically kind of really light shadows, but it's still showing where it would be there. And then I used my absolute favourite colour to colour in the background and a few more bits in the drawing, I think the nails as well. And it was just, mint blue is just such a pretty colour. And looking at it right now in the background and all the colours, it just goes together perfectly. And I like the pose that she's in, as it's like really nice and spread out. The only thing I wish I could fix was the eyes, as they came out a bit wonky, but here's the finished result. Hope you like it. Make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to MarzArt. Thank you all for watching. Bye!